Have you ever heard about the simple yet effective practice of raising your legs every day? It may sound too easy to be true, but incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll dive into the numerous benefits of raising your legs, backed by scientific research and expert opinions. We'll also discuss how to incorporate this practice into your daily life, making it an easy and achievable goal for anyone looking to improve their health. So, let's get started and discover the power of this simple yet transformative habit. Benefits of raising your legs. Improves blood circulation. One of the most significant benefits of raising your legs is improved blood circulation. When you sit or stand for extended periods, blood can pool in your lower extremities, leading to swelling, discomfort, and even varicose veins. By elevating your legs above your heart level, you encourage blood flow back to the heart, reducing pressure on your veins and improving overall circulation. This practice is especially beneficial for individuals who spend long hours sitting at a desk or those with sedentary lifestyles. Improved blood circulation can also help reduce the risk of developing blood clots, which can be life-threatening if left untreated. So by simply taking a few minutes each day to raise your legs, you can promote better blood flow and maintain healthier veins. Reduces swelling and inflammation. Another remarkable benefit of raising your legs is the reduction of swelling and inflammation in the lower body. Whether you've had a long day on your feet, are pregnant, or are recovering from an injury, elevating your legs can help alleviate discomfort and swelling. When you raise your legs, you allow excess fluid to drain from your lower extremities, reducing pressure and inflammation in the affected areas. This practice is particularly helpful for individuals suffering from conditions such as edema, lymphedema, or chronic venous insufficiency. By incorporating leg elevation into your daily routine, you can find relief from painful swelling and promote faster recovery from injuries or surgeries involving the lower body. Relieves back pain and improves spinal alignment. If you suffer from lower back pain, raising your legs may offer some much-needed relief. By lying on your back and elevating your legs, you can take pressure off your lower back and allow your muscles to relax. This position helps to realign your spine, reducing strain and tension in the lower back area. Elevating your legs can also help stretch your hamstrings, which, when tight, can contribute to lower back pain. By incorporating this simple practice into your daily routine, you may find that your back pain diminishes over time, leading to improved mobility and overall comfort. Additionally, maintaining proper spinal alignment through leg elevation can help prevent future back problems and promote better posture. Promotes relaxation and stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of relaxation and stress relief is crucial for our mental well-being. Raising your legs can be a simple yet effective way to promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. When you elevate your legs, you allow your body to enter a state of rest, signaling to your mind that it's time to unwind. This practice can help lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, and promote the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. By taking a few minutes each day to lie down and raise your legs, you create a space for yourself to breathe, recharge, and let go of the day's stresses. Incorporating this practice into your daily routine can lead to improved mood, better sleep, and an overall sense of well-being. Enhances lymphatic drainage and immune function. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in maintaining our immune function and removing toxins from the body. By raising your legs, you can support the natural flow of lymphatic fluid, which helps to eliminate waste and reduce inflammation. When you elevate your legs, you encourage the lymphatic system to work more efficiently, allowing for better drainage and detoxification. This practice is especially beneficial for individuals with compromised lymphatic function, such as those recovering from illness or surgery. By supporting your lymphatic system through leg elevation, you can boost your immune function, reduce the risk of infections, and promote overall health and well-being. Incorporating this simple practice into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your body's natural defenses and help you maintain optimal health. As we've seen throughout this video, the simple act of raising your legs every day can have a multitude of benefits for your health and well-being, from improving blood circulation and reducing swelling to relieving back pain and promoting relaxation. This practice is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their overall health. Incorporating leg elevation into your daily routine is easy and accessible to everyone. Whether you choose to lie down on the floor with your legs propped up on a wall or invest in a leg elevation pillow, the key is to make this practice a consistent part of your day. Start by setting aside just 10-15 minutes each day to raise your legs and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Remember, the benefits of raising your legs are cumulative, meaning that the more consistently you incorporate this habit into your life, the more significant the results will be. Whether you're looking to alleviate specific health concerns or simply promote overall well-being, raising your legs is a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural healing processes. So take a moment each day to prioritize your health and well-being by practicing leg elevation. Your body will thank you for this simple yet transformative habit, and you'll be amazed at the positive changes you experience over time. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content dedicated to helping you live your best life. And as always, remember that small, consistent habits can lead to significant, long-lasting improvements in your health and happiness. Until next time, take care and keep elevating those legs.